Hey, what's up bros, it's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. It is no secret that all new modern Huawei and Honor smartphones and tablets aren't equipped with Google services out of the box due to China-US trade situation. And because of this, Huawei users in need of Google apps are either using web apps, browser shortcuts, and other methods to access Google on their phones. Fortunately, there is a solution that allows MIUI 11 users to access Google services with the use of an app called GSpace. GSpace is a sandbox-like virtual machine app with a Google Play Store inside. This will allow you to install and run Google apps and other apps on your Huawei or Honor device. But there is also one downside. GSpace doesn't allow you to have a Google Play shortcut on your favorite home screen. Every time you want to download some apps, you have to tap on the GSpace folder, then tap on an application, and then tap on the back button. It is annoying, but I have a hack for you. It works great and allows you to have a Google Play shortcut on your favorite home screen. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is go to my website. The link is in the description of this video, bros. So go to description and tap on that link. The link takes you to my website, to this site. Scroll a bit down until you see GSpace with Google Play icon hack. Tap on it, tap on consent, and tap on this big blue bar, and tap on download. And the folder, all necessary apps are installing right now, downloading right now on to my device. In this case, the P40 Pro Plus with MIUI 11. I will show you about phone, Android 10, MIUI version 11, and the device name Huawei P40 Pro Plus. So go back, and the download is complete. Now go back, open files, internal storage, download, and this is the file. Tap on it. Here you have to choose more and extract, and select choose current directory. Tap on OK. OK. Open the folder, and now tap on GSpace right here. Tap on allow, no risk detected. Tap on install. Tap on open. Before you tap on start, go back, settings. This is an important step. Apps, search for GSpace, permissions, and allow all these permissions. Without these permissions, you can't have the Google Play shortcut on your home screen. Okay? Go back. Tap on start. Okay. Now go back. Open files. Install this application, the shortcut maker. Tap on allow. No risk detected. Again, tap on install. Tap on open. Go back and tap on this. Tap on other and choose shortcut maker. Tap on always and tap on create shortcut. Tap on add, and now we have the Google Play shortcut on our home screen. And now you can log in with your Google account. So tap on sign in. Google Play Protect is turned on. This feature protects your device from harmful apps. You have to wait. And now you have to log in with your Gmail Google account. Agree. Tap on more, accept. Now we are logged in. So if you want to download some apps, you can tap on YouTube. If you want YouTube, tap on YouTube and choose install. If you want to download something else, tap on this Google Play shortcut, and from here you can download your favorite games or applications. Gmail, tap on install Messenger, Facebook. There is no need to go to GSpace. Tap on the application, for example, the photos. Then tap on this back button, and from here search for application. All you have to do is right now to tap on play, GSpace shortcut right here, and from here you can download your favorite games. So this was a quick tutorial how to get Google Play icon with GSpace application on your home screen. I do hope you ended up enjoying this video, bros. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video. And as always, stay safe, wear the mask, peace out. And I really appreciate your support, bros. Thank you. Peace.